Should be live. Oh, I don't need this anymore. Oh, there's gonna be more space. That's nice. Maybe I should have preview on. Reduce this. Yes, I can. Chat could be here. Right. Hopefully everything looks good. This, I don't think so. It is a little bit annoying. Maybe, So I can start the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, this is my code for solving problems. Okay, what is this? The folder? Timeline. What the hell is timeline? No timeline information was provided. Interesting. Right. Oh, this is nice. Sort of, kind of. How can I make a new project? I guess. And debug. The launch JSON file. Caught exceptions. Test py. What the hell is this? Streaming test py. What? Okay. Trying to understand what does it. Enable to open test py. Enable to read file. Unable to resolve an exam. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, create a file. It's just an empty file. What's the point of this file? Count. Oh, I guess this is. Break when expression validates to true. Yeah, looks all very weird. Not really used to this. This is my normal desktop. It's time to read something about Twitch API, not Twitch, Twitter. API. Let's see what info is available. And documentation. Good. Mess up my windows. Line. Didn't do what I wanted. Right. API enables programmatic access. Blah blah blah. Tweets, messages, lists, users, and more. Sign up. Well, I guess I need to create an account for that. What kind of an account could I use? Don't think I have any here. Guess I need an email first. This Gmail is the simplest one. Don't really have anything on this machine. I need a way to manage my passwords outside the browser. Okay, that looks like a game. There's extensions. Discover. Discover. Hopefully this is the one I'm looking for. Yeah. Looks like it. Hey, welcome back, Risk. Discover. This. Oh. Hey. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, Happy New Year as well. Let's see. Password. I need a password manager, I think. It would make it so much easier. I mean, it took me like 6 tries to remember to guess the password to this virtual machine. Okay, let's install this. Well, I guess I'll need an email. KeePassXC. Well, I use KeePass, whatever. I don't even know. KeePassX, so I guess I use the same. Don't use these. Use trusted ones. Why? What's the difference? Well, isn't KeePassX open source as well? Yeah, it is a free open source manager. Or are you saying it's a bad idea to use an open source password manager? I think it's fine. Save. New database. They're not related to each other. Well, okay, well, doesn't... It doesn't really matter if they're related or not. I don't think that matters. Change master key. Oh, guess I hit something. I get caps lock by accident. Oh. They look same. Maybe someone copied. I imagine so. But that's quite common with open source software. You just make a program that looks and feels the same and just use the same open source base. So you have minimal amount of work. Not really sure like what's the what's the benefit, but I guess if you're trying to sell some service, I guess that's a good option. I thought it's more popular and hackers use it, so it must be best and secure. I'm not really stressed about using the best and the most in anything or best at anything. Like if it's good enough, if it does its job, it's good enough. Like I don't, yeah, like one day one is the best, the next day is something else, so I don't really care what's what's the best, current best. Well, that makes sense. You should have some blurring software for these things while typing passwords. I don't care. That's why I'm making all new accounts. I'm not using my current accounts. Like this is an OS that's also, oh, it's a virtual machine, so I don't really care what happens with it. Let's see. For work. Okay, let's create a Gmail account. Might not like this. That's already. Sure, why not? Do 420. It's a funny number. So I can use the password manager. Gmail. Every time 420, I think that was the new get generated one. Save. What was that? The save? Oh no, I need to create a new. It creates a new document. Okay. Keep us. Database. That sounds like a good name. Save. Okay, I'll save. Oh, damn it, I hate that. It doesn't move. I can't use my alt to move windows. It moves the whole virtual machine window if I do that. Right, so I have this. So now I should be able to, just copy. Right. Next. 8 characters? Wasn't 8 characters? Or 8 characters? Generate 16 characters. Seems. Accept. Okay. Are the keyboard shortcuts different? Oh no, now looks good. Never save. Phone number. Optional. Which I can provide my birthday. It's not the correct one. Express. Right. Sure. I agree. Should have Russia planting missile? What is that? Russia planting missile? What are you talking about? Okay, have my email. Now I can get this. I'm 20@gmail.com. Guess I can just use my Google account like this. Sure. By tracing your location, well, Russia doesn't really care about me, so. What's your birth date? I thought. Again. Well, I guess the requirement to be of a certain age to use Twitter. Get more. Personalized ads. Your bio, skip everything. Skip for now. Do I want to see on Twitter? I don't really want to see anything. Gaming. And sure. Do I have to do this? I never used Twitter. Well, I have an account, I never used it. Elon Musk. Start seeing Gmail in the thing, yeah, I guess so. Well, if I have to follow someone, I guess I'll just follow the first guy. Okay, so how do I get the API access now? Settings. I guess I just need to Google it again. API. So I can make it full screen. Maybe it will be easier to see. Okay, sign up. It's permanent and can't be changed. Why would you care? Every time one? I guess it just assigned me. Oh, it automatically generated one. Oh, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. It uses my Gmail anyways. Do I need this? Yes, I do. Which country are you based on? Lithuania? What is your use case? Exploring the API. A good use case. Will you make Twitter content or deliver information available to government entity or government affiliate entities? I don't really have any plans for that. Developer agreement. Ooh. By clicking submit. There are problems completing your request. Why? They don't believe me. They don't trust me that I read all of them. Do I need to actually open all of these links? Okay. Developer agreement. Yeah, getting access to APIs is always fun. Okay. Saw this. Saw this. Links won't do anything. Well, you think it won't. Something. Is helpful? I'm not sure. Oh, user must have a verified phone number or file prior to submitting a number on file prior to submitting application. Damn it! How should I do this now? Oh, sorry, I that sucks. Yeah. How can I do this now? Without showing my phone number. Yeah. Well, I guess I could use one of those public phone numbers. Virtual phone number, I could, but I guess yeah, I guess you're right. Virtual number. I imagine those might be blocked though. Oh, this is Zoom. Okay, contact sales. Text now is best one. Phone.com. Okay, I'll trust you on that. Text. No. Texting and calling app. Okay. Yeah, that looks like an app. Phone service without a phone bill. Side number for your side business. Oh, you need to sign up? Okay. Okay, let's do it with Google. Having Google account is so crucial. Error. What? Error has occurred. Can I actually see what the details of the error? See, what does it show? Select account. .403, I see one. Authenticate didn't work. You need to sign up, but I'm signing up. This is well, this is the window I get. Well, it asks me to log in when I try to sign up. Give me a second, I'll start again. Oh, wrong one. Now. Yeah, that's what I clicked on. Sign up free. Yeah, and then it asks me to create an account, and I would have. Yeah, it gives me an error. Login or wait, there was sign up free. Well, I guess it gives me the same thing. It doesn't even let you to create a. Maybe I could try. I don't think that will work though. So back. There's an email about something. Oh, finish setting up your Google account. Maybe that's why it doesn't let me log in with that. Confirm your right settings are right for you. I don't really care. What else is in this? Looks fine. No, I'm just checking my Gmail. Maybe something was in my Gmail made, and maybe a notification or something that I need to finish setting it up or something. I'm doing the same thing on my PC and it works. Yeah, well, the thing that sucks is that I don't really have other options. Like, I can't make a normal account using like login and password. I have to use one of these services. I guess text now is not an option. Let's see. It might be a browser issue, true. I don't think I have any other browsers. Let's see. Yeah. I can install Chromium. Software is ready. Yeah, this is... I guess at least at the beginning it is kind of expected. It's gonna be a little bit of a mess. Maybe a lot, but it's just gonna be a mess for a bit until everything starts working, kind of. Just use another one, and but text now is best account. You can keep the number as long as you can, and it's yours. Good. Let's see, maybe it was actually a browser issue. Okay, can I log into my Gmail here? That would make it disk space. What? That's not good. How much space does this VM have? I don't know. Interesting. 6 gigabytes. And I have only... Sorry, the hard drive is 7 gigabytes in size? That doesn't sound right. What is my virtual... Oh, storage says 8 gigabytes. Change that. Probably not while the machine is running. Storage. Okay, it doesn't really have that much space left. Damn, that's a bit annoying. Yeah, probably I actually need to expand it a little bit. Gigabyte, okay. Why did I think that that's gonna be okay? I guess I need to shut it down for a little bit. Not sure. Give me a second. This could be dangerous. I guess I can just restart the machine and see what happens. Okay, let's just do power off. The stream should be black at the moment. Yeah, it is black. Okay, give me a second. I'll quickly storage. How can I remove? What if I want to extend it? Yeah, this is oh, this is a mess. How can I edit virtual hard drives? I remember, definitely there was an option to do that. I'm not using Oracle, I'm using, Oracle Virtual Machine. Oracle VirtualBox, yes, that's what I'm using. Choose/create. Let me edit anything. Guess I'll have to live with 8 gigabytes for now. Maybe I can just delete something. Okay, let's start it. Where's my OBS? I wanna see if it, okay, it's loading. Password incorrect. Was missing a character, I guess. Right. Back to this. Cleanup. Should be a cleanup utility. Leech bit. Oh, I can... in space. Well, I guess this doesn't really let me delete anything. I need a utility for that. How can I... I can just close it. Not really used to this GNOME user interface. Auto remove? Think that's gonna help? Wonder if there's oh yeah, there is a password, okay. I put auto remove. Yeah, 0 removed, so yeah. There isn't much to clean up like this. Well, at least the packages are... updates. Interesting. Where's the search? Here it is. Up. Analyzer. Yeah, I have no idea if any of these work. Well, this one requires root, so must be better. Cleans unnecessary cache, yeah, but I don't really have much in my cache. Oh, it's asking for my root password. Oh. It handles cleaning, Bash, Beagle, Firefox. I wonder what it... Yeah, I guess in the analyzer I could see location. It's my password. See. Temporary files, I guess. Or starting deep scan temporary files. This option is slow. Okay. Does this do anything? Errors 1, no space left on device. Amazing. I'm completely out of space. I see a space. Oh, it doesn't show here. Okay. I can just use something like this. Use 100%. Amazing. Create another VM. No, I don't have a low disk space on my PC, but I don't want to create a new VM. It already has stuff running. I would like to expand the hard drive of the existing VM. Okay, let's do some googling. Because there should be an option. Oh, okay, this GNOME is so dumb. Yeah, there is an option to expand it, but I didn't find it, like it wasn't very obvious. The Oracle box extend disk size. Okay, and this window is Virtual Media Manager. How do I access it? Geek. Okay. Oh, so it should be File Virtual Media Manager. Okay, let's try doing that. That's not what I meant. Oh, now everything is messed up. Yes. That's the wrong window again. Right, okay. This is... So what I'm looking for... It's running. Oh yeah, here it is. File Virtual Media Manager. Yeah, storage details, dynamically allocated storage, so it should be able to extend. Okay, looks like I need to shut down the VM though. So let's just turn it off. File, Media Manager. So let's increase it to, let's say, 20 gigabytes. That should be enough. Right? Apply. Hopefully that's gonna be good enough. See? 20 should be enough, yeah, I think so. Looks like my VirtualBox crashed. Sure what that was about. Hopefully it actually worked. Let's see. Storage 20 gigabytes. Okay. Looks good. Let's launch and see if it's actually 20 gigabytes. Right. This. I guess I could do some research. Maybe I could have deleted some of the built-in packages that I won't be using. Yeah, that requires additional research. I don't really want to do that. It's struggling to load, it seems. It's not a good sign. Okay, that doesn't work. Can I... really want to start now. To restart. Oh, I waited too long. Okay, this time it looks like it's loading. Did you do the same last time again as well? Lag, no. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing as well. Just a black screen with a blinking cursor. Let's see, what was my... I entered my password correctly. To root. Oh, okay, the resizing didn't work. It still says that it's 100%. Like it's yeah. Shut down. Minus what's the how? Remember the options. I think Grub fucked up, maybe. I think the well, it crashed in the process of resizing the hard drive, so maybe that messed it up somehow. Let's try resizing it again. This time I will actually wait. Well, this time it didn't really take any time. Well, it didn't really increase the size all that much. It said it failed to do something. Do the same again. Still the same. Debian doesn't support resizing while being in VirtualBox? Maybe. Wait, what can I delete? I can delete Chromium. Let's remove. Okay, that will free up a little bit of space. Let's not give up. See you. Yes, it didn't. Wait, 1% would be 80 megabytes. Let's do the... auto remove. Has something to delete now. Since we moved Chromium. It still shows the same. Okay, let's reboot now. See what happens. Well, why waste time? Well, I'm hoping this will fix it. Well, somehow it will manage to launch and actually update the whatever is messing it up. Because, well, creating new virtual machine will take a while. Don't really want to do that. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna work though. Alright, password. Yeah. What else can I uninstall? For some reason it's not loading. Well, if it doesn't have any free space, then yeah. Like it says available space is 0. So it doesn't really have space to create the temporary files it needs to load the, like, I'm not sure why. Well, it needs to create some files when it's loading. I'm pretty sure of that. So if it has absolutely 0 space remaining, then yeah, it would make sense that it doesn't really load the user interface. Hmm. What? Let's do another thing. Let's try selecting the advanced option, recovery mode. Wonder if that will work. It's been it's been quite a long time since I used this, so can't really see anything else that was printed out. Hopefully this works. It is odd that I even deleted some files. I deleted Chromium and we deleted some of the packages and it still says that available space is 0. So yeah, I guess it is quite messed up. I should have made a clone of this hard drive. Oh, give root password. What is... You're in rescue mode. After logging in, type in journal EL system logs. Perks of Debian. Yeah, well, I'm not sure this has anything to do with Debian. Or exit, put into default mode. Let's see. Still shows 0 available space. It even says that the use space is 6.6 gigabytes and the total size is 6.9, so there should be 300 megabytes of free space. Without, you know, even in those are bytes. Yeah, kilobytes, megabyte, no. Bytes. Yeah, I guess those are bytes. Yeah, well, okay, whatever. It still shows 0. Yeah, I guess there is no other option. I guess I need to create a new VM. That's annoying. Actually try to load. Doubt it. Yeah, doing great. Yeah, I guess, yeah, I can't think of anything else I can do now. You know what, I can still do one thing. Completely stuck now. Let me even switch to a different terminal. Okay. Let's close it. Oh, it launched it. It's an accident, power off, okay. What I want to do is manage Tails not log settings. Proximity is far better than handling this. I doubt it makes a difference. Ubuntu 2. Like it's I don't think that's has anything to do with the OS itself. I think VirtualBox messed something up, extending the size of the drive. Okay, I removed it. See, maybe I should do it before attaching. Oh, you can't. You can't make it smaller. You can only make it bigger. Okay, let's try attaching it now with extra bit of memory. Oh, it is attached. What? Okay, give me a second. Okay, this is the last attempt. If it doesn't work now, then yeah, I'll have to set up a new VM. Just kind of annoying. Yeah. Big sad. Can you see the options? I don't think you can see that on stream. Yeah. It's annoying. Like, kinda sucks. Oh well. How should I? Well, I guess I need to delete that file now. Well, I guess I can. I'll delete it later. Just shut it down. Create a new one. Darkness, yeah, well, yeah, because it's streaming the. Well, it's supposed to be streaming the window of the virtual machine, and the window is closed, so now it's all black. It's working as intended for now. Other Windows, I don't want to use Windows. Oh, Linux. Debian. Memory size 4 gigs. Maybe it will be enough. Create a virtual disk now. I have no idea what's the difference. Make it larger. Let's make it 20 gigabytes right off the bat. Right? Right. Well, I guess I need to install Debian first. Yeah. I guess I'll just use the graphical one, because that's the one I always use. I don't think there's a big difference. Your location. Really matter? Hopefully not. How can I change the resolution? Well, I guess yeah, it needs to install first. What is my wallpaper? I don't think you can see it. It's one of the default ones. I don't really have anything put on. Host name, okay. Let's domain name. I have a domain. Put password. Put the same. Simple. User. Oh, I don't have the passwords now. That sucks. Because the password was saved in the password manager. Trigger the clock. Oh, yeah, don't really. Yeah, I don't remember the Gmail. That's what I'm talking about. I have no idea what was the Gmail password because it was generated by the password manager, which is also lost now. Maybe I could extract it somehow. I guess I can try. Let's just use entire disk. What was this? Oh, it's only one option. And let's put everything in one partition. Yes. Yeah, this is... I'm not sure which is better, doing this nonsense or or playing Minecraft. I spent the whole day today playing World of Tanks. Just create a new Adam and Eve and start a new life, yeah. Feels like it. Hopefully... I don't really have a good setup on my desktop. Could just stream my whole desktop. But you know, you won't actually be able to see anything in it. Because because it's 4K, so when I'm streaming in 720p, like nothing will be actually visible. So that's not really an option. I guess I could scale everything so everything would be huge, but I don't really want to do that for my main desktop. Right. I was watching. Yes, yeah, not being able to see what's on the stream. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Spent the whole day today just playing World of Tanks with my cousin. My cousin is sick, so when he called me and said like he wants to play World of Tanks, like I kinda went along with it and spent the whole day just playing. Probably not the best idea. Also, I learned an interesting thing about, when watching videos about China. Apparently in that region, people often, not people, but the fans that you put on the table to blow wind at you. Oh, not maybe necessarily on the table. Well, that type of fan, they usually come with a timer. That after which, like, it automatically turns itself off after some time, which is very odd. Well, it seems odd to me. Do you know, is that a thing in India? Can you get fans with auto shutdown? What is the reason? Can extra installation media, what does that mean? Have the... Let's do that. Yes to all. Can't I just do that? No then. Package manager. HTTP proxy access. I don't need proxy. Seems useless now we don't have that unless you want it specifically. Yeah, well, that's the point. The idea behind it is apparently people in China are afraid that the fan, if it's left running by itself, especially if you, if it's hot. I'm not sure if it was actually about China. Maybe, something like in that region. Like it was quite common. People believe that if you leave the fan running by itself and you fall asleep, it will suck all of the air out, and like you will just die from suffocation. So that's why all the fans have a timer on them. It is kind of bizarre, but apparently that's a thing. What's not? Myth? What do you mean? I don't remember. Well, I guess I need to check the source where I got that info from. It sounded bizarre. Well, I'm not saying that it's in India. I think it was about rural China. Like that's a thing there. No fans don't suck oxygen. Oh yeah, no. I'm sure in India people are aware of it. Like people are much better educated in India, I imagine, than in China. Maybe the quality of the education is not the greatest. Well, maybe not them, they are just not educated, I would say. System A, supply. I don't really want to supply anything. Ooh. What kind of shell should I use? I really don't fancy GNOME. KDE? Even LXD, maybe that could be an option. Kinda like Debian desktop environment. What does that mean? XFCE, I haven't used it before. You know what, I'll stick with KDE, at least I'll have something familiar. Because no, GNOME is just terrible, as far as I can tell. I get the idea that you want to have a unified interface on all sorts of devices, but no, it's so bad on desktop. So inconvenient. I think my installation on my my main machine, my main Linux that I use, thinks that I'm running it on some mobile device, because the login screen is definitely like the one you would see on the mobile device. Like it gives you a huge keyboard, and yeah, instead of having a normal interface. I saw a video about test-driven development today. Oh yeah, that's cool. It is a good methodology, I guess. If you but you can't really use it by itself, because I started doing that. I mentioned that I started implementing that, but as soon as I reached a point where I actually need to, I'm not really sure how to implement something, then it doesn't really work, because you need to kind of, you need to know how the whole application is designed in advance, then you can do test-driven development. But yeah, if you're just freehanding, let's say, then yeah, you can't really do test-driven development. You can write the tests at the same time, but you can't really write tests at first and then write the code that passes those tests. Yeah, especially when you're learning, you can't really do that, because you need to know the capabilities, what you can actually do, and yeah, when you're learning, like you're not really sure how everything will work out. Yeah, it is definitely a cool thing to develop. It seemed interesting. It is definitely an interesting way to develop, and I guess the benefits are, well, yeah, well, the benefits, well, you get all the benefits, like general benefits you get with testing, but with test-driven development in particular, it's like you have a good pace. Like you always know what kind of pace you will be getting. Like it's easier to plan, maybe. Not really sure. It could be a good way. Well, I need to try it out for more. I never, I haven't seen anyone develop anything at scale using that. So yeah, it's hard to say. And when I was reading about it or learning about it, I don't really remember what were the benefits on, like, officially. Damn, this sucked. Messing up my virtual machine like this. You can attach that. Well, the idea is, well, I'm hoping to be able to attach another hard drive. How much time it will take, I have no idea. I don't remember last time I did. I think I set everything up off stream. So yeah. Now making a new machine is. That's why I wasn't keen on doing that. I wanted to try other options. Because you are installing a new OS. And it is downloading all the packages and so on, I imagine. Well, at least at some point it will. Let's play some game. Chess? How about some chess? Chess.com. Ah, okay, what kind of game do you want then? That's the only game I guess is boring. Okay. What's not a boring game? I can show the game that I've played for the whole day today. I can show some World of Tanks. I'm not sure I can. Do you know World of Tanks? Give me a second, I'll launch it and set it up. Slither.io? I have no idea what. Game is not responding now. Amazing. Guess I could try Slither.io. I'm not sure what that is though. Slither.io. Nickname. See. What does this look? Oh, look good. That's supposed to be my desktop. Add window. Capture. Let's work. A bit annoying. It's still installing. Well, I have World of Tanks on, so I hate this. I hate what they did with this interface. Like everything is so clogged up and full of crap. What's an easy tank to play? I think this one is quite easy. I played a lot today with this one. Yeah, it's still installing, so let's see. If I hide this one, yeah, you can see it's taking its time, I guess. Have any sounds? Do I want to have sounds? That's another question. Tier 10 battle as well. Sure, it's gonna be fine. Not really sure where should I go. The bar moved a little bit. Still installing stuff. I feel like I can stay here in the middle for a bit. Yeah, I'll get lucky. Not this time. I feel like I should go Hell Badger. Spotted. The hill. Ease. I would be quite upset if I was that guy. Still installing. I think I'm dead here. I think I overpushed. Right? Oh. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, my tank finished me off. Let's see. I'm not sure that's any better. Yeah. Oh, it's still installing. I guess another go? No, it's still installing. Oh, the bar moved significantly though. Yeah, I don't really want to play World of Tanks like that. Game sucks. I really... I spent so much money on this game. And it's just... It's a terrible game. Let's see... Let's try Slither.io. I've never... I think you mentioned it at some point. But I haven't really played it. At least I don't remember it. I can't play? I like minimalistic games. Well, there's nothing wrong with minimalistic. I just like good games. Doesn't really matter if it's minimalistic or not. Is there a difference between colors? Are they beating specific colors? Hey, how did he... Oh, okay. Oh, I see it. You can actually click and do things. Your face touches his body, you die. Yeah. Well, imagine if you touch your own body, you die as well. Or can you go past through yourself? Yeah, I imagine. Yeah, okay. That's at least kind of intuitive. I saw someone was really big. Almost. That was close. He was so happy. I feel bad. That was a big one. Damn, I'm getting thick. Big kill, yeah. I wish the development part of the stream was going as well. That would have been nice. Why is this one following me? Make a circle around them. How long can I do this? Oh, I got wrecked. Hey, it finished. About time. It just keeps on giving. Install grab bootloader on your primary drive. Yes. Imagine that's the right way. Grab. I think I need to install the additional software needed. Really see the chat. There it is. Life goes on and on and on and on. Yeah. Finishing the installation. That's that sounds like it should be about done. Hopefully it will be done. And that finishing is taking a while. Oh. Tower. Disabling that inst cd. Okay, well, it shouldn't take that long. Sounds like it's just changing a configuration. Definitely doesn't take that long to update the source list. Oh, I could have done it manually by this point. Let's see. I guess I have time to play more Slither. Oh. Installation complete. Wow. Actually done. Doing things. Okay. Oh, it was attached, okay. Every. It's not the correct amount of characters. It's KDE. Okay, I want to have scale mode. Yay, it worked. Amazing. Now I need to change guess there aren't any settings here. Display configuration. Sounds about right. Yeah, the resolution. Yeah, I can see the resolution is messed up. What kind of resolution should I go for? I am streaming 720p, but I don't really see a resolution for that. I guess I'll just... Like, there isn't standard Full HD? What? Yeah, but there isn't an option like this. It just gives me a list of odd resolutions. Sure, why? Okay, let's do this one. Doesn't really feel any better though. This one? I don't think that changed actually. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it changed the resolution at all. Desktop. Gonna be the same. It's still okay. Why? Yeah, it just reverts back for some reason. Oh, your resolution is good. Scaling is messed up. Okay. Scaling size. It's at the lowest. If I do this, everything is the same. It doesn't change anything. I think my virtual box is messing it up. Can I access the VirtualBox menu now? Can't really see it. That doesn't look right. Let's maybe do a quick start. Sure why it's like this. Oh. I wanna attach the previous hard drive that wasn't working. Storage. Add another hard drive. This. Okay. Display. Can I change any of these settings? Okay, I have no idea if this will do anything. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Okay, the connection is working, but feels like it's even worse now. Oh, you know why? I think the scaling is now. It just constantly resets back. So annoying. Yuck. Got it? Got what? Oh. The resolution didn't save from the last time, only the scaling saved. Guess I'll try. E1920. Restart. The issue I'm having, I don't really see the VirtualBox options for the window. Look right. What? Get it. Why is it being so difficult? I feel like it's trying to launch OS from a wrong drive. Takes time. I don't think it's about the time. Okay, let's close it. And remove the hard drive I just added. Let's remove. Yeah, this is an absolute mess, I agree. Can go back to window mode as HC, okay. Well, at least it's loading. Okay, now I can see the window at least. Enable. Why is this being so difficult? Let's do the display again. I think the changes will actually work now. They didn't. Okay, now I have no idea why this is so. How do I actually install this now? Linux Edition. Okay, I actually want to run this. Couldn't find. Permission denied. Okay, let's do like this. The sudo I need to. Don't want to do this again. I'm root and I have no permissions? You have MD? Yeah, I have MD. Well, yeah, it is an. I think it is an MD graphics card. I have no idea actually. I'm pretty sure it is an MD one. Like, I'm 80% sure. Hmm. Oh, I can't really copy paste here as well. I don't think it has. I think it's just an issue with VirtualBox. Yeah, it says here I have Radeon graphics card. I'm using a kernel driver in use AMD GPU. We're likely to be using basic frame buffer driver rather than KMS. I'm not really sure what is KMS. What are KMS driver? Like, what does KMS stand for? Don't know all of these terms. Yeah, it is pasted the command. It gave me a bunch of output. Oh, you wanna see it in this? I can't copy paste things between MyOS and this VirtualBox. I guess I can just show you a different window. Give me a second. Probably easier. Yeah. So yeah, this is the output I get. Open Tech 3D. Open Twitch there. What's about Twitch? What's wrong with Twitch? So yeah, like I'm not sure if that explains you what you're like. I'm not even sure what you want. What do you want to see? Like, you're talking about KMS driver, but what is KMS driver? I have never heard of that. Well, I guess I never had to deal with this. Like, the drivers just work, so I don't bother doing additional research. Was supposed to fix it? Like, so and LSPCI. Okay, so it just lets you manage, I imagine, PCI devices. So let's see, those options were NN, PCI vendor and device code, both number and name, and also K. I don't think that could fix anything. It just displays information. K option though. What? Don't even see a K option. Am I blind? Oh, there's Trocal on the driver, so it just shows a different kind of information. Unix Stack Exchange. Yeah, like googling. I don't believe in finding random solutions like that. Yeah, it has something to do with my. Let's see. Just window size. Hmm. Well, this is the best mode, but I think KDA just doesn't like me. Or doesn't like my virtual machine. So let's see if I Google. And the browser is here. I actually use this virtual machine. Yeah, I wanna see what's the link. Kind of issue they are trying to solve. Really here. Even though I could use. Okay, I can Slither.io. That. Let's see. See the description. Yeah, I would like to adjust screen resolution on my Debian 8.1 virtual machine. Okay, it seems like that sounds like a similar problem. See. Okay, I don't wanna shut it down. It's supposed to install some software to make it easier. Like to enable all of these features on the OS. Not sure why it's not working. This is an executable. Maybe I need to copy all of these files. Mount. Guest edition. Yeah, this is what I should be installing. Really give me anything. Gives me folders. Okay, let's do root. Change to etc default. Okay, which one should have that? Which of the files would reasonably have that? Smart tools, scanned, networking, grub. Yeah, I guess I just need to grab everything. Oh, file grub. Oh, he is my favorite console editing software, like text editing tool. Grub. Grub GFX mode. GFX. Hey, it has something. Oh, this commented out. Have anything else? No. One line. We can try it. But all right. Forgot how to use. Okay. GFX load Linux keep. Okay, I need that one as well. I guess I need to add that. Doesn't really have that option. Well, that could be done. Grub. GFX payload. Linux keep. Okay, let's see. I guess now it's time to reboot the OS. See what happens. Maybe it will actually read the configuration. No, it doesn't look like it. Update grub. Okay. Well, sorry. Soon enough. Terminal. Oh, console with a K. CFTC, what was that? Default. Now less grub. Right, okay, it still has the same options. So now update grub. Done. See. And this one is still the same, so I guess the reboot is done now. Hours, okay. What happens? Would be cool if it worked. Well, it's taking its time. Try changing the resolution. Well, I will when it loads. It doesn't seem to want to load. Why is it being so difficult? This shouldn't be this hard. OBS. Okay, let's see whatever is being shown on screen. This is funny. Today was not your day, let's say. Yeah, you could say that for sure. It sucks that it messed up the hard drive when resizing it for my previous machine. Like, why is it not just stopped responding? Guess I need to restart it. Coming. It's refusing to load now even. Okay, at least it loaded. Try resizing it now. Doesn't even have. Yeah, just. Why? Why is it so painful? I think it needs the VirtualBox guest software. Let's see. Go into this disk image. Yeah, it is kind of annoying. Really want to run anything. E.g. Wait, those are just Linux packages, I think. Solaris, Darwin, okay, I guess those are for different OSs. Permission denied. VBox. It's working. Guess the error is not coming from this. From the file itself. Oh, this is this is quite annoying. Yeah. Okay, let's copy everything to a home VirtualBox guest edition. Let's create the directory he needs. Now we can copy. Oh. Let's go back. Hiding behind the... Oh. Right. Now it wants to install. Fascinating. Box edition running kernel mode will be replaced until... I will not be replaced until restarted, okay. Let's see if this fixes it. Pure Oracle issues, maybe. I think it is a KDE issue, actually. KDE doesn't really want to be on a VM. I feel like that's the issue. Okay, let's see. Need to change Oracle VirtualBox settings? I think so. Don't really see what I can change. Put in a different... Well, I don't really have any other installed. Let's see. Oh, what's XFCE? Like, yeah. Debian. Right. Oh, I don't want to use some random website. Yeah, well, I guess it doesn't really, well, at least I don't see it on the first page. Just need the command. Task cell? How is this? With task cell, okay, without task cell. With apt, okay, now it makes this. This is more like it. Pretty sure you need to be root to do this. Nice if I could actually type in the password. Copy it. 21 megabytes, very reasonable. I like the look of that. Hopefully it won't take too long. Yeah. 2 hours. I've been streaming for 2 hours. And progress so far is negative. Oh, I've regressed. I started with having a virtual machine that's usable to this. Oh. Yeah, well, kind of funny. Now, progress is null. It isn't. It's actually not initialized yet. I'm considering using Eclipse this time because I just don't like Visual Studio. It just looks confusing to me. Like, I can't see anything I'm used to. Just like, I don't really understand the layout. Okay, display manager is blah blah blah. Which one should I use? Display manager. question. I guess it should be this one. Light desktop manager or standard website. Really care enough to check. I'll just go with one. If it doesn't work, we can reinstall and switch and pick another one. And I don't really think they had a guide for this. During the installation, the system display manager from above will appear. Choose the display manager you want. So yeah, there is no it doesn't really matter. Even see, well, I'm not sure. Well, maybe. Well, if you have a choice, you kind of have an expectation of like the choice, like both choices working. If you only have one working choice, like why have a choice at all? So that's my logic, like. And if it doesn't really matter to me personally what I'm choosing, then yeah, well, like I don't really have the knowledge. Like I never done any reasonable amount of research into desktop managers and what was that? Window manager? Yeah, so I have no idea. Okay, let's just do a restart. Do I need now to specify it? No, I actually don't. I guess I only need it for shutdown. Now how we boot into this? We should get a prompt when we are loading. Oh, not restarting. Stop job is running. And this is. I guess we have to wait a minute. Yeah, so, but yeah, when we restart, we should get an option to choose what kind of shell we want to load. We have multiple ones. I remember last time, the first time I was trying, when I was setting up the first machine, when I got an option to choose with what kind of shell to install, like I just picked all of them, and turns out you shouldn't really do that because none of them work at the end. In that case, like everything gets messed up. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this one. And KD. Yeah. Maybe if I install all of them, maybe that's what. Okay. Should get choose. Okay, this looks different. I imagine it is the new one. My ever, I think that was my username. Was incorrect. This is every time. I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's do root. What the hell? Let's just be root. Who cares? Oh, this looks kind of nice. Can't really not change desktop settings, the resolution I mean. Okay, how do I applications? Should be something else, settings. desktop display. Still gives me all the same crappy options. Hey, it works. It was an issue with KDE. After all, that's good to know. Yeah, this looks kinda nice, I like it. Small E? Yeah, we can actually check. Yeah, Victor, we have... we can change desktop resolution. Oh, what the hell? Epic win. FC is the best, maybe. Let's see, home. Every, so it was just every, and yeah, the small E. Amazing. Should I just go on as root? I kinda feel like this is appropriate. E. Web browser. Just launches the default one. That's fine. Okay. We have things, desktops. Oh, that's so cool. That's what I'm used to on KDE. Yeah, this is much better than GNOME. Right. So what we were doing? Let's see. Twitter. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess the hard drive is not actually on at the moment. Maybe I can hot plug it. A second, I'll management thing. Shareable, immutable. Properties. Right. Probably sleep in a few minutes. Yeah, I don't think I will continue streaming. Like I'll have to set something up off stream because this is. I'm not sure if this is well. I don't think that was the right call to set it up on stream. Well, the previous OS should have worked. I want to recover the passwords from that one as well. Yeah, we'll have to continue tomorrow. I'll try to fix up the environment so you don't have to, well, get the account verified and so on. So I can actually go and read the documentation and start doing a hello world or something. Let's see, can I attach another hard drive now? I can. Look at this. Home. Every. No. Or was it in documents? KeePass. Yeah, I have the passwords. I guess at least I recovered that. Oh, I am root, so I guess that simplifies everything. Documents. Like an appropriate place for that. Work like this? It's not bash. Bash. X. It worked out. Okay. Okay, if that's installed, that should let me just pass X. Then database. Selected. File bronchial database is corrupted. Oh, shouldn't be corrupted. I think I used the same password. Okay, I have no idea. Well, that's not good. Okay, I'm typing it right, so oh, key file. Okay, dumb. Okay, I'm just dumb. Forgot how to use it. Oh, I didn't have a key file. Yeah, exactly. Wait, can install Chromium as well. Yes. I'm not really sure why, but when I'm en route, autocomplete doesn't seem to work. Not sure why. Yeah, I guess the installs will take a while because it's downloading from USA. Because I didn't select the right region. Maybe that wasn't the smartest choice. Maybe I shouldn't have rushed through that part. But yeah, I definitely like this environment. Looks really nice. Okay, so I recovered my password, so that's good. Now I need to install... Eclipse. Or just something I'm familiar with, and yeah, the Visual Studio is well, I'm just not used to it. Don't want to download the simple one. I have a dedicated installation for Python. Look like it. Python. Dev. Yeah, well, I guess it requires Eclipse first. Guess I'll just download the normal one. Charm is the best for Python? Maybe. Yes, again, best is, you know, I don't really care about the best. Fine. If I can, I will decline. What are new packages I could download? You have to be a tarball. Personal preference on the top. I guess so. Let's see. I lost a... I guess I lost a follower today. That's what I get for not streaming Minecraft. Yeah, I know. Well, I guess, yeah, that's the reality. It's done. I just extract it like this. It's work. It's probably gonna be a huge file. Hate working with tarballs. I just need... I don't know the command. rxf. Yeah. Oh, it's still doing this thing. Installing Chrome. No, Chromium. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't install two pieces of software at the same time. Download. It actually worked. Installer. Hopefully this will work. Not like this. What's wrong with this? Install tar files. Tar files are not installation files. Tar file is an archive. It's a type of archive. So you can, well, make anything into a tarball. It's just the way Linux developers, like, historically do things. Any good options? Scientific. HP. I just need JavaScript. Let's have this one. Yeah, the installers changes quite a lot. It definitely didn't look like this last time I installed Eclipse. Oh yeah, almost declined everything. Root Eclipse JEE. Never actually run as root. I'm sure we'll figure out why it's a bad idea eventually. So progress the following. Progressing very slowly. Okay. Gonna mess up with the repositories now. It said it's very slow. How slow is that? Let's let it install, I guess. How will this work? Will it work? Like, it might be quite laggy. Ooh, it's very laggy. I resize the window. This is a little bit better, maybe. Oh. Based on ping. Oh, you can see my ping somewhere? Don't really see it. This one is running away from me? What the hell? Oh wait, there's a map? Just noticed that there's a map in the corner. Can't really see anything on it though. I assume the white dot is me. That was unlucky. Do I make it less laggy? Being on a very small window? Like it. Scribble.io. Scribble, you need to guess a word there, right? Guess I can try that. I guess it's not the correct name. Ooh. Finished installing, finally. Let's hopefully it didn't change all that much. Workspace is fine. Now I need to add PyDev to have Python. install. Going to sleep. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hopefully this yeah, hopefully this will work. Accept finish. General appearance dark. Okay, let's restart. Right. Does this have a dark theme? Go to settings. General zoom. Dark. Much better. Contrast. Oh. Wait, this is not the theme. It's just the font. Change appearance here. Setting. Appearance. Might have affected the browser. Firefox as well. Somewhat. Java. Create a project. Django project. Let's see. Twitter. Learning Twitter. Twitter API. Matter. Happen here. Change. Both applications not closed. I'll switch desktops. Okay. Oh, it was an Eclipse restart. Okay. Guess that well. Hopefully that was the issue. Let's create a Python project. Object interpreter not defined. This is not the one. Oh, please. Okay. We just choose. Do we have any reference projects? Hey. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. It's not correct. So C for source. Right. Now I need phone number. Right. I guess I can use this one. Twitter. With Google. Google uses this. Twitter works. Can I verify my phone? Settings and privacy. Please enter your password. Well, I'm not logging in with password. Password is incorrect. That's a Gmail password. Notifications, accessibility. Every time one. Let's make Roaring Twenties happen. Oof. Damn, how often does this guy tweet? 17 minutes, 35 minutes. Right. Really sure how should I do this. I have a working, really working. Let's see. Try opening my old project. Files. I wonder where Visual Studio Code, I guess this is it. Extensions, where's the projects I created? I didn't create any projects, just files. Let's see. Doesn't really have anything. Show. Let's add a wait for going build before launching. Build for launching. File kind of quiet. Okay, guess so. Console system, I don't remember. How do you actually guess I will need a source control system. I guess I need a GitHub account or something. Let's see. So let's just run it. show console. Okay, launch an error, so that's good. I want to see if you can actually make what's on the stream. Yes, you can. It's a little bit blurry. API. TV. Oh. Next. I guess, yeah, this won't work. Verified phone number. Oh, I guess I can do that. It's developer.twitter.com. How can I actually verify my phone number? I don't have. Gmail.com. An email to gmail.com and see if I actually get. Settings have changed. Oh yeah, smart features are off. This is kind of bizarre. See, reset your password if requested. Use the confirmation code below to complete the process. Okay. Password manager. There. Imagine that's right. Successfully change your password. Better? I should be able to see my phone. Now I can actually enter the password. They have it. Phone. Is that a phone number? What? Re-enter your password. Okay. Can I actually find a Lithuanian number? Number seeing one. I only get a couple of free ones. They're free. Not lose with the use. United Kingdom. Oh, it's already in use. Oh, it's annoying. Yeah, that one is not in use. Already taken. Well, I imagine all of these will be taken. Might as well try a couple of times. Seven minutes ago. I wonder how long does it take for the message to show up. New messages every couple of seconds. Your Uber code. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's showing up. we can try another number. Kind of the UK number. I can use French as well. It was French, yeah. 33. Oh, it hasn't got the messages in half an hour. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work as well. Yeah, all the numbers I'm getting don't have any new messages. Quite a while. It's promising. I have hit the limit. Why do they have to make this so hard? What are they hiding? What's... Well, I guess I'm done with this for now, at least. Twitter ads API. Getting access to Twitter API. Will only display once. Okay. Yeah, I guess I need to sort this out off stream and see if I can make it work. That would be good. Yeah, well, okay, I guess I'm done streaming for today.